What's up, y'all? It's B-Dougie back again with another feature, and this is exciting because this one's going to be outside the Insights platform, and it's going to be our Chrome extension. So we've been working hard on building AI features into GitHub. So let's check it out. So you can either go to the Chrome store or you can go to opensource.ai and install this Chrome extension. And on the Chrome extension, you'll have this little extension that will have a drop down here, and we can now go into a GitHub repository. So what we have here is our PR creation screen. You've seen this probably multiple times. And the big difference is when you have the extension installed, you'll have a OpenSauced icon, and it's going to be right there in your editor pane. So I'm going to scroll down to where we normally have our description. And here we've got a little template for where our description goes. Now, the biggest thing is that people open up contributions to our project all the time, but they don't add a description. And I want to be able to go in there and add my description myself. But I don't know what their project's all about. So the best thing about this is if you click the button, it's going to add the text and it's going to write the description for you. Now, the way we're doing this is through OpenAI. So OpenAI is very popular right now, and we're using the completions endpoint. And here you can see now we've got a nice little description. The cool thing about this is if you go into the settings here in the dropdown, you can see that the description is actually based on the diff. But the diff also has a bunch of commit messages. So we can also select commit messages or both. We can also choose with our tone, we can do formal or humorous. So I'm going to try this out as well. So let me go ahead and delete that description and click the button again. And now we have a humorous description. So when you open up your next pull request and you're having a writer's block, think OpenSauced.ai, install the extension, and let the robots do it next time. Hope you like this. If you want to actually give us some feedback, we do have the feedback forum, so opensource/feedback, the link below, and tell us how you're staying saucy inside your PRs.